Okay guys, example 3. The bill for your restaurant meal is $22. The sales tax is 6%. You leave a 15% tip. What is the total cost of your meal? Okay, now guys, we've got two problems that we need to do here. The bill is $22, but we don't pay just $22. We pay 6% on top of that. And then we leave a 15% tip. Now, I have to do this in two stages. I need to find out what 6% of $22 is to find out my new price, the total price that I pay. And then I always leave my tip on top of the total cost, not just the meals cost. Okay? Now, I want you to follow me here. If I want to find out what the total meals cost is, so that I can leave a tip on that, I don't need to find out what 6% of 22 is. I just need to know what is 106% of 22. Because you see, that's going to give me all of the meal, 100%, and 6% more. Okay? So let's cross multiply. We're going to get 100x is equal to 22 times 106. Okay? Now, I'm going to do my multiplication over here to the side. And I'm going to get 22 times 106. Let's see, 2 times 6 is 12. That's 1 and 2. Put my 0 for as a placeholder. And then I'm going to get the same numbers again, 2, 1, and 12, because I'm multiplying by the same number. 2, 3, 3, 2. Sweet. So now I've got over here to the left 2332. I'm going to divide by 100. And everybody knows when I divide by 100, I move my decimal point 2 places to the left, and I get $23.32. Now that's how much my meal cost. That's the cost of the meal plus tax. Okay. Now, my table server works hard for a living and depends on tips. So I'm going to add 15% on top of that to help out. And I am going to say, what is 115%? That means all of 2332 plus 15% more, right, of $23.32. Now it's going to take some math here. 100 times x is 100x, and that equals 115 times 2332. All right, now I'm going to extend the page here just a bit. Okay, so I can do a little computation over here to the side, and I'm going to do 2332 times 115. 5 times 2 is 10, carry my 1. 5 times 3 is 15, and 1 is 16, carry my 1. 5 times 3 is 15, and 1 is 16. Put down my 6, carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, and 1 is 11. Now I need a placeholder. Oh good, 1. So that's 2, 3, 3, 2. Now I need 2 placeholders, and then it's 2, 3, 3, 2. Zeros. 6 and 2 is 8. 6 and 3 is 9, and 2 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 and 1 is 2, and 6 is 8. Okay. 1 and 2 is 3, and 3 is 6, and then 2. Now I've got 2 numbers up here that are behind the decimal point. So I'm going to put 2 numbers down here behind the decimal point. My screen's a little off here. So that means I get 100x is equal to 2,681.80. And then I'm going to divide by 100. And everybody knows when I divide by 100, I move my decimal point 2 places to the left, and I get $26.81. Oh, look at that. I wonder what I do there, because I don't have this kind of money that goes back to 4 places. Our currency only carries out to 2 places, so I need to round, and I always look at just the number outside the gate there. So x equals $26.82, because this number is 5 or greater. All right? Excellent job, guys.